Sarura Kids. Standing on top the cake where cake and everything. It went over
Who
here.
can roar like a lion?
Oh. That was a very big roar.
That was a very big roar, yes?
Wow.
Wow, that is the biggest roar Mummy's ever heard. What else do we have in there? Oh, what other animal sounds? I suppose they all really roar, don't they? Who can make, what's a trumpet? Who can sound like an elephant?
Ooh.
Here's an elephant's trunk. Ooh. Can you do an elephant? No? Okay, right. So come round this side and let us have a look.
Rhino! I see a
Yes.
rhino!
Yes, there's a rhino there
Yeah.
with a long pokey rhino horn.
Look! Elephant.
Yes, and we're going to find out what animals we have in just a moment.
Mummy hippo! Mummy hippo!
A mummy hippo as well. Well spotted. So before we've even got inside, we know we've got an elephant, a hippo, and a rhino. But
Deer!
let me just read some boring things.
Deer.
Yes, it says their fun facts. The cheetah is the world's largest, fastest land animal. Yes, you're swinging. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. So nothing is faster than a cheetah. Do you think you're faster than a cheetah? You're faster than a cheetah? So is it ready, steady, go? You would beat a cheetah in a race? Oh, wow. Well, I think you might be able to beat these cheetahs. You are swinging, yes.
I got a lot of energy.
You've got a lot of energy. Faster than a cheetah. Well, Mummy's going to read some boring stuff for people who want to know the boring stuff. So this is an awesome animals Discover the Jungle Tub by Addo.
Come off.
You came off, yes? And we got this Discover the Jungle Tub from the toy shop. It's suitable for kids age 3+.
Mummy, wait.
This is part of a bigger...
Mummy.
Yes, this is part of a bigger shop. Remember, we bought loads and loads of things from the toy shop. And this came from there. There we go.
That's his face.
Now we have our animal tub. Who can open it for Mummy? Twist it, twist it, twist it. Well done. And take out one animal at a time, please. Listen, just fling them all out.
Ow, Daddy, all that is stuck.
They are. Right, let's pull one animal out. Who's it going to be? Pull them out, Ling. Yeah, there we go. And that is the lion, the king of the savannah.
Hiya, number 3, now come in. He fell over.
Now, Mummy's very happy with these trees because remember, we've got the dinosaurs and some of the dinosaur trees aren't looking very happy right now. Somebody's been snapping tree heads. You can pull out another animal to make... Okay, right. We've got 2 trees in there. And 1 lion. Is that how they get? Okay. And what do we have? Let's say the animal names as we pull them out.
2 cheetahs.
No. One is a cheetah. So a cheetah has spots. A cheetah's got spots. And a tiger has got stripes. Remember Augustus's smile? Do you remember that story?
Yeah.
And what was Augustus? He was a tiger, yes, and Augustus had stripes. Oh!
Mommy, look.
And in Who's in the Loo? Actually, that had a leopard, I think. It didn't have a cheetah. A leopard was changing its spots.
Yeah.
But anyway, a cheetah's got spots. So that's African one. And this is some kind of... what do they call them?
Deer.
Yes, it's some kind of deer. It could be from the deer or the antelope family. I'm not sure.
It's a hopping deer into the sky. Flying deer.
Flying deer. We've got a tiger. A tiger stripy tiger. So, Mummy's not sure which one this is. It might be a puma Well, a jaguar, but we've got one over here.
Ow.
And then we have this one.
Ow.
What's this one called? No, what's this one called?
Rhino.
That's a rhino, thank you. We know it's a rhino, why? Yes, a rhino's got a little horn and a big horn at the end of its nose.
That was a really big.
That's a very frightening lion roar. Yeah, that's a very frightening lion.
That was a really big
And then
one.
someone's coming to say hello to Mr. Lion.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, girls.
My name is Tiggy the Tiger. Show everyone the tiger.
Hello.
Huggles for the tiger. Show everyone the tiger. Oh, what a cute little tiger. Tiger, lion, piggyback. And there's a hippo. Oh dear, poor tiger. Oh, poor little
I put a
tiger.
plaster.
Oh dear.
I did put a plaster.
Oh, ouch! What was that for? I'm only a rhinoceros. Oh, that was ouchy.
But you were not being very nice.
I only came going. I was pretending to be a horsey. Oh,
Oh, I will bite you.
I'm now sad. Oh, don't be sad. The elephant is coming to. Oh, what was that for? What happened to everyone's gentle hands? Ellie the elephant says we should play with gentle, kind hands. And Ellie's also very fast. So,
Oh, you're fast.
yes, it's a very fierce tiger, isn't it? So, we also have an elephant who's now having to defend everyone in this place. We also have an elephant in our jungle animal. Ooh.
He's not our friend anymore. Rhino is our friend.
Oh, well, I'm glad I helped Rhino become your friend again. Oh, hello. How are you, Mr. Lion?
I shush. Poke you with my hands. Me.
I'm running very quickly because I'm a cheetah and I'm very fast.
I'm faster than you.
Oh, dear. I might be fast, but I'm definitely not very good at being bashed about. Poor cheetah. Oh.
But I'm very fast.
Oh, can we do gentle hands for poor cheetah?
I'm faster than you.
Poor cheetah. That was ouchie. Oh, sorry, cheetah.
Faster.
No, you're giving cheetah little huggles.
Yep.
Oh, poor cheetah. Oh, sorry.
Don't hit cheetah.
It's not nice to hit. We only like, what do we like? We only like, yes, huggles and kind hands. So kind, gentle hands.
Don't
That's what we
hit
do with our friends.
him or him or him or him or him or him
Or anybody. Exactly what
Or
we've
him.
done.
or him.
And then we've got a bouncing. It could be a gazelle. It could be a springbok. It could be a doika of some sort. Or it could be no, I suppose it's got horns. Well, deer do have horns. But these, it's some antelope of some sort, I think. We've also got two other things that we found in another box that we opened up not that long ago. We've got two trees. Oh, the hippo's eating the grass. Oh, nom, 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 nom. I think Mummy now knows what happens to all the trees.
Yay!
The trees get detached quite a lot.
Yay! Yay!
So,
Yay! Oh.
that's what came in our jungle animal tub.
Yay!